welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting guest with me. This is my mom.
Hi.
And we are super excited because we are going to be doing a dollar store splatter screen pumpkin DIY home decor piece, and we are super excited to share how to make this. This isn't an original idea. This is something that I found on Pinterest. I know there are a couple other YouTube videos showing how to do this, but we thought we would go ahead and try our hand at it and let's see how it turns out. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to need 3 of the splatter screens from Dollar Tree. These can be found in the kitchen section. And the first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and take the wrapping off of your screens. And then the next items you're going to need is a wire cutter and some 26 gauge wire. We got this at Michael's. So the next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to take 2 of your screens and you're going to want to go ahead and clip off the handles. So we've already done this off camera. I had my husband do it since these were kind of thick, and his wire cutters are they're quite sticky, so I just let him go ahead and handle that. But once you're done with that, you're going to end up with 2 looking like this without a handle and 1 with a handle. Alright guys, so the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to arrange your 3 in a simple pumpkin shape. That's going to look like this. Okay?
The other way.
No, this way.
Oh, okay.
And then what you're going to want to do, once you have your shape, is you're going to want to take 2 of your pieces like this. So she has her 3rd piece over here. You're going to want to take the thin wire, and then you're going to want to feed it through some of the little holes, and you're going to want to connect the 2 pieces of the thicker wire together so that way they will not come apart. If you don't have wire, you can definitely go ahead and use hot glue, but I don't know that it's going to last as long, especially if you put this on a door and it's going to be outside. So depending on your needs and what you want to do, that might be a good option. For us, we went ahead and did the wire, so you're just going to wrap it around a couple times and make sure it's secure. And then you're going to want to do the same thing on the bottom and then on the other half as well. So you should have 4 points with the wire connecting them together. The other thing you're going to want to do is when you get the little wires and you trim them, you're going to want to use something strong or metal that you can kind of press against it to make sure that they're not sticking up on the ends, because you don't want to poke yourself while you're working and doing other things, because that would not be fun. And then you'll just want to keep working until you get the other points on, and then at the end of that you should have a pumpkin shape.
Hi, we're back. Okay, and we put 4 wires right here, and you can see.
Yep, so depending how, whatever you decide, your pumpkin might end up a little bit bigger or smaller depending on what you end up doing. So as you can see, ours came out a little bit different, but that's perfectly fine since pumpkins in real life are all different shapes and sizes. So the next step that we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking these outside into a well-ventilated area. And we have the Martha Stewart spray paint that we got at Michael's, and this is in the color Marmalade. You can use whatever color you want, whatever's on sale that week. So we're going to go ahead and take these guys outside and we'll show you spray paint. Alright guys, so we are back inside with our now painted pumpkins. So as you can tell, they are starting to look like pumpkins. So now is the fun part. So from what you guys can't see is we actually have quite an assortment of different things in front of us, from ribbon, raffia, flowers, leaves, jute twine, anything and everything fall related. And we're just gonna go ahead and decorate our pumpkins to our heart's content, and then we'll come back and show you the final product.
I think harvest. I like that one better. Oh, that's pretty too.
Alright guys, so we are all done with our pumpkins and we're super excited to share with you the final product. So let's go ahead and show how ours ended up. So here is mine. I went ahead and did the jute twine all the way around, and then I have the harvest in the center here, and in order to connect these you do have to use the wire, the same technique of sticking the layers of the screens together. You'll do the same thing to attach this metal piece. And then I have some raffia and some burlap leaves and a bow. And again, all of the materials used for this are from the Dollar Tree. So I think total probably about under $5 to make this piece, which is an amazing bargain. So Mom's gonna go ahead and show you and explain what she did for hers, because hers is quite different from mine. Okay, Mom, go ahead.
This is my pumpkin that I made, and I put the harvest here, and then I used the
Raffia.
wrapping, and then I put the bow, and then I put the sunflower. The sunflowers have wire. You put in the back, and you can just tweeze it. And then the leaf, you just put the glue gun on it, and that's what I did.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching, and we hope that we were able to inspire you to maybe make your own splatter screen pumpkin. And make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more content. We're hoping to make this a weekly series on my channel, so make sure that you stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!
Bye, thank you. 2, 3, action. Say something.
Your eyeballs.
Thank you for watching.
Okay. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more What was that?
Be so.
Mom, you don't use a gun.
I didn't do that. I went like this.
No, when I said
Oh!
the like button, you went like this.
But we're gonna laugh at this, aren't we? You're gonna laugh when you go back at this.
I'm gonna go edit it and be like, John, watch this. It's funny. We'll
Okay,
do a bloopers at the end.
Okay, you ready? Action.